You know, if you're running a business, you're probably paying a kind of hidden tax. And nope, it's not from the government. It's from your own software stack. The cost of juggling dozens of different subscriptions is, well, it's staggering. Not just in money, but in lost efficiency. Today, we're going to dive into a single, unified solution that's designed to eliminate all that chaos for good.
All right, so here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll uncover that hidden software tax. Then, we'll introduce a unified solution, and you'll meet its AI copilot. After that, we'll tour all the natively integrated features, and finally, we'll look at the real, tangible impact this has on your bottom line.
So, let's get right to the heart of the problem. It's the sheer complexity and, honestly, the ridiculous cost of managing a whole bunch of disconnected software tools. It's a massive headache every modern business is dealing with.
I mean, really think about it for a second. It seems like a simple question, right? But the answer is often pretty shocking. When you've got separate bills for your CRM, your help desk, your live chat, your phone system, it all just adds up, and it adds up fast. And just look at this breakdown. It's wild. You're not just paying for one or two things. You're paying for a dedicated CRM, a totally separate help desk, another tool for live chat, another for telephony, an AI chatbot from another company, and the list goes on. Individually, these costs might look, manageable. But together, the annual spend can easily explode into tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. That right there, that is the hidden software tax.
So what's the alternative to this expensive, fragmented mess? Well, the answer is all about consolidation. It's about moving from a dozen different tools to one single, powerful operating system for your entire business.
And that solution is Omni Smart AI. Now, this isn't just another app. It's a massive, comprehensive business operating system built from 800,000 lines of code to be the ultimate SaaS consolidator and finally bring everything under one roof.
And just so we're crystal clear on what we mean by a business operating system, think of it like this. It's one single platform where everything just works together, seamlessly, because it was all designed that way from the ground up. Your sales, your support, your operations, and your analytics, all in one place, all speaking the same language. Now, at the very heart of this system is an AI named Aria. But listen, this isn't about replacing people. Far from it. When a single human agent can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 a month, the goal is to make them better, to empower them. Let's see how that works.
And this right here is the crucial point. The whole philosophy is to create what's called a human-AI blended workspace. Aria acts as a co-pilot, handling all the repetitive, time-consuming stuff, which frees up your expert team to focus on what they do best, building relationships and solving those really complex problems.
This illustrates that partnership perfectly. Look, Aria is on the job 24/7 with nearly instant response times, and it can handle any language you throw at it. Your human agents, on the other hand, bring those irreplaceable qualities, genuine empathy, nuance, and the ability to handle complex negotiations. Together, they create a customer experience that neither one could possibly achieve alone. And the speed is just incredible. We're talking less than 500 milliseconds of voice latency. That's faster than a human can blink. It's all powered by something called the Phoenix Voice Engine, which runs on specialized AWS hardware. What that actually means is that conversations with the AI are so fluid and natural, they're completely indistinguishable from speaking with a person.
Okay, let's shift gears and take a tour of the arsenal. We're going to do a quick run-through of the core modules that are built directly into the Omni Smart AI platform. This is where it gets really good. First up, a built-in neural CRM. Now, this is not your basic contact manager. It's a truly intelligent system designed to be the central hub for every single customer interaction, actively driving your sales process forward.
So it uses AI to score and prioritize your leads, which means your sales team always knows exactly who to call next. It has a beautiful visual pipeline, super rich profiles with every interaction logged, and, yep, you guessed it, it's designed to completely replace that expensive standalone CRM you're paying for right now. But it definitely doesn't stop with customer relationships. The platform has live ERP capabilities built right in. This is what manages the financial heartbeat of your business, your enterprise resource planning. This means you can create quotations and sales orders, generate tax invoices, manage all your purchase orders, and track your products and services, all from within the exact same system. No more exporting data from one app and importing it into another. It's all connected.
All right, next, let's talk about support. The platform includes a fully integrated AI-powered support ticketing hub. This completely eliminates the need for a separate, expensive help desk tool.
A carrier can automatically create and prioritize tickets from any channel, email, chat, phone, you name it. It automatically manages your service level agreements, handles escalations, and it even suggests knowledge base articles to your agents to help them solve problems way faster.
Okay, so how do you keep track of all this incredible activity? Well, the platform gives managers these incredibly powerful consoles to maintain complete visibility and control over their teams and their operations.
So, managers get their own dedicated console for full team oversight, complete with quality assurance tools. They can pull up real-time dashboards that monitor both AI and human performance and then generate comprehensive reports for really deep strategic insights. It's like having a bird's-eye view of everything all the time.
Now, this is a feature that truly bridges the physical and the digital worlds. It's called the QR softphone. Just imagine a customer scanning a QR code on one of your products or a flyer or even a company vehicle. And boom, they are instantly connected to your business in a high-quality voice call. It just removes all the friction. Okay, so we've seen all these powerful features, but what does all of this consolidation actually mean for your business? Let's talk about the real, tangible impact on your bottom line.
And this visual just says it all, doesn't it? On one side, you have that towering, terrifying cost of a fragmented legacy stack. And on the other, the single, predictable, and dramatically lower cost of the unified Omni Smart AI platform. It's night and day.
And here it is. This is the bottom line. By consolidating those 9 different software categories into just one platform, businesses are seeing an average reduction in their annual software spend of 60 to 80%. Let me say that again, 60 to 80%. That's not just a small change. That is a fundamental shift in your operational costs.
So the final question is pretty simple. Are you ready to finally eliminate that hidden software tax and empower your team with a truly unified system? If the answer is yes, you can reach out directly to Yogesh Sawant. His email is right there on the screen, or you can just find him on LinkedIn to learn more.